But what are your views ngama features nje yakhona radio?
I think there's a lack of creativity a lot within the radio space, and iyona nto enza i-radio ingabi that interesting like it used to be. And abantu abaningi ba in denial abaseradweni ngalokho. I-radio ayisekho creative as it used to be. So enza ukuthi abanye abantu bethi i-radio yafa, of which i-radio ayifi. Yabo, but claim ukuthi i-radio ibulawa i-technology, ibulawa i-social media, of which mina ngiyakuphika lokho, yabo. But into edingeka eradweni ukuthi abantu aba behind the mic, they must be creative enough to keep us glued. Because already fana ne-soccer mos. If you're the soccer player now and you don't have a skill to receive the ball, and you don't have a skill to secure the ball ukuthi omunye umuntu angalithatha and pass it, and then you are useless. And then you are useless. As a presenter kufanele wazi ukuthi ilink elandela ngizoyithekla kanjani, ngitheklisha kanjani, yabo. Akungabi nje normal ukuthi bese kulandeleke ingoma kaSifanele, come on.